Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney House. I'm the CEO of the Grated, and today, look what we got back here. Brian. His name is Brian, and that's what we're gonna call him. I mean Z. Do you have anything to say?
When am I gonna get to introduce the show?
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ. Ziviratata! Welcome back to the Creative Era University. I am your co-host today, Z from Africa, coming through with the culinary flavors with a little bit of African touch masala. Joining me today is the CEO herself, the president. I don't want to say HBIC because she's not a B, but you know her. What?
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Sister from another mister.
Nah, what was the part you said not a B?
Yeah, you know, like the phrase HBIC had been in charge. I don't want to say you are HBIC because you're not a bitch. You see, I was giving you compliment. And then,
alright, child, we don't know where.
Cancel the show. Cancel
the show because we don't know what Brian's talking about. He makes up his own slogans.
Wow.
Okay, and
yeah, it's original. It's so tempting.
Listen. He said, "Mister from another mother." I don't know what.
Now you're remixing it with your own flavors. Now you're gonna Donald Trump me on YouTube. You're gonna Donald Trump me. Wow. You're remixing it for your own
Brian,
flavor.
last time I was saying,
Hey,
he gonna tell me I'm a mother from another mother.
How are you a mother? You don't even have a child yet. You see? That's nonsense.
He said, I'm a mother from another mother.
You see,
alright, but that's not
all of you Africans at home trying to come to America, don't come. This is how they treat you when you get here.
Anyway, what are we doing today?
Beautiful bubulash. We're going to make some pasta, but with an African twist. So this is a recipe that was inspired by the movie Chef, if you've seen it.
What is it?
The movie Chef.
Oh, the movie Chef.
Yeah, it's about a guy who's like, you know, struggling in he's not really struggling. He's working in his career as a chef, and then some food critic writes a bad review about him, like Yelpers.
What?
All of you people go on Yelp and
we bleeping all of that out. I don't know what Brian talking about.
The guy, they messed him up, they wrote bad reviews, and then he ends up saying he's going to open a food truck and blah 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 blah. So this is one of the recipes he makes for his girlfriend. So here I am myself trying to find me a girlfriend, and I heard that girls like pasta. So we're going to make it
like
with African. Most of the girls, if you say what's your favorite thing to eat, pasta, Italian food. Jesus Christ! What about the African food?
What?
Do you know about fufu? Do you know about egusi soup? Hey!
No, but right. First of all,
do you know about jollof rice? Jollof rice.
First of all, I don't know what you're talking about. Because not every woman likes pasta, okay? But this is what we're going to do today. That's what we're going to do
Beautiful.
Today.
So very simple. These are the ingredients we are going to use. Whitney House in the house. Linguine, that's pasta if you don't speak French. We have Parmesan cheese, we have garlic, we have our lemon. This right here, I will come back to it. It's the most special part of this dish.
Wait, what's this?
Otherwise,
what's this special?
This is not a spice.
You got a special thing going on?
Hold on, eh? Not special education, but this special material property.
You're so annoying.
Oil olive oil, if you don't speak Italian. This is flat leaf parsley, and we have some salt. Very simple, few ingredients. In the kitchen, out the kitchen, in your belly, and then hopefully you get to do the banga banga in your belly.
Listen, I don't know what alright, listen, we just gonna jump into it because we don't know what Brian is talking about at this point.
If you don't know, now you know.
Alright.
Get yourself an apron, get your knife, get your spatula, get some cooking spoons. Let's head to the kitchen, and what are we gonna do?
We about to get this joint on and popping. Make sure you take off your shoes. Do whatever you got to do, child. Because at the end of the day, don't come up on here trying to steal recipes. Even though we sharing it with you, but don't come stealing it, alright? Because it's about to go down. It's about to go down.
Look at, I forgot to tell you about this material property, the most important one. Look at, we're rushing. We're so hungry. I'm from Africa. We're hungry every day.
I'm starving. I don't know about y'all. I'm starving. Your girl's starving.
So this is an African spice called Suya. So it has like peanuts and other spices like
I'm allergic to peanuts.
See that?
No, I'm joking.
Do you see this? This is what I come to America for. To be made a comedy show. Imagine people in my village right now watching me like, wow. Wow. Hey.
I'm just saying.
I don't believe. This spice is called Suya. S-U-Y-A. S-U-Y-A, Suya. It's peanuts, a little bit cayenne, a little bit cinnamon. So it gets like nice and spicy, but kind of like, you know, that cinnamon and barky kind of flavor.
Cinnamon?
And see like how
Cinnamon?
it's delicious. You better get ready. We're going to wow your mouth. Wow, that sounds dirty.
That sounds
Either way, we are going to put some good things in. We're going to eat some good food.
Right, nah, it's like, listen, we just go ahead and slide this all over, okay?
Guys, first thing first you're gonna wanna do is wash your hands.
Wash them dirty
We don't
hands.
know where those nasty fillers have been all day. Wash your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, and then if you have a nice bubble-ash apron like us, courtesy of the creative era.
Hey, sunflowers, you feel
Check
me?
it out.
You feel
Put
me?
it on so you don't spoil your best African attire.
Yes, child.
Okay, back to the cooking. First thing first, you're gonna get a nice medium-sized pot. Fill it up about halfway with water, depending on how many people you're cooking the pasta for, and you're gonna spice it. Not spice it. You're gonna throw a good dose of salt in there.
How much salt was that? I got high cholesterol. No, I'm just joking.
If you don't like it, there's McDonald's around the corner, right? So this is gonna be the water for your pasta. You wanna get that to like a rolling boil, and once you have that going, the very next most important thing to do will be to crush and then fine dice the garlic. I've gone ahead and peeled it here ahead of time for us, so we'll just trim off the ends. I don't want you to cut yourself and then you sue me while I'm still broke.
What?
So do all of this.
Don't forget to send the coins, y'all. Send the coins. At Taco Africana, right?
You better.
And at the Creative Era.
You
Send no coins to
better.
that Cash App. I'm just saying.
You better. What we're gonna do, what I like to do when I crush garlic, right? Face the blade away from you.
Okay.
And then you're kind of gonna slide and wham it. Like,
What? Slam it and what?
so, like boom, like that. I didn't do it because I don't want to like mess up the table.
Oh, you
'cause
slide
we're
it like
filming.
that?
Yeah, so kind of like.
That's
like that.
fancy.
Right? That's fine, don't worry about that. That's for the ancestors. But anyway, you will crush the garlic, but because we're filming, I don't want it to go gudum 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 and mess up the whole show. We'll just chop it up real fine like this, like fine like that. You think you can manage?
Nah, I can't do all that, bro.
Are you sure?
That's professional. That's some real cutthroat type stuff. I don't know if I'm right. That knife look like it'll chop somebody's head off.
No, it's good for the bubulash.
The what?
The bubulash. And then how are you gonna cook for your husband if you're scared for the knife?
Listen, future husband, I'm learning this for you.
Yeah, all this cookment thing right here.
Future husband, if you're watching this, I'm doing this for you.
Yes.
So you can stay with me forever.
Yes.
They say that the way to keep a man is through his stomach. Okay, so
now you're stealing my words, and you're stealing them wrong. It's the way to a person's heart is through the stomach.
y'all know what I meant. Y'all feel me? But future husband, if you're watching this, make sure you know. Make sure you're hungry every night, because I'm going to cook for you. I'm going to cook for you, baby. I'm going to cook for you.
So, right, once they have it like that, we're gonna come back on an angle.
At an angle? Oh, to like...
Make it even
Oh, that's
fine.
fancy.
Hold it down, Whitney. House in the house.
Nah, fams. I ain't on that level. I gotta learn all... Oh, you slid the whole thing? Bro. See, that's that real chef stuff. See, this is that real chef stuff.
And I'm not even a chef. I just like the sound of it. And
He's
when
a
people
chef.
come, no, I'm not. I just like to cook food, eh? I told you I am single and I need a girlfriend. So if I cooking, maybe one lady say, hey, I want to eat good every day for my life. You know, baby, tell me. Are you putting bunny ears behind
No, I
me?
didn't see that. I ain't do that. You did that last time, bro.
Do you know the funny thing is, I'm cooking here. You never heard the phrase, don't piss off the people in the restaurant?
Oh, yes. Listen.
If you want to be eating my saliva tonight, put all the bunny ears you want. That's how you stop them. We don't do anything to the food, but people get scared and nyori. Yeah. At least.
No, wait. Hold the phone, Gina. Hold the phone, Gina. Do you know he was still cutting and looking at the same time? No, this is dangerous. He could have chopped off his whole fingers. And I ain't taking him to the hospital. That ain't my job, child.
At least now you see that I'm not the only crazy one. Both of us are crazy.
Listen, I'm the normal one here, y'all. I hope y'all remember that, right? Y'all, I'm a chef, y'all. Y'all feel me? Come through.
If possible, medium to high. No, sorry, only medium. We're gonna put a lot of oil.
Listen.
We are good on the pasta, so we are going to give it a nice mix around. Make sure everything is cooking so beautiful.
Okay.
Ooh la la, beautiful like my daughter.
That's unborn, yeah.
Yeah, but she's still gonna be beautiful.
Right.
Right, over here we have our oil going. We're going to take this lovely here garlic we have and put it in there. Oh, so beautiful.
Ooh.
So this one we want to be very careful because the garlic he can get brown very quickly. And we don't want that. Give that a stir, honey.
What
we are looking for is for it to get nice and golden brown.
Oh, golden brown. Okay.
But not like when it's almost nice and golden brown is what we're looking for. Because once it's golden brown, when we cook everything else in there, it's still going to overcook. Is a parsley. We're gonna do half a bunch of this guy because we wanted to change the color of the oil.
Oh,
make it a little bit green. And then the other half we'll put in at the end because it will be for the flavor. If you put all of it in right now, all the flavor is gonna die out and then it won't be as flavorful as when you put it in the end. But here we're also doing it for the color.
Nice.
We want it to be nice and green. I am sweating. It is hot in this kitchen, baby. It's getting hot in here. So take off
Nah, bro. Because Brian will really take off his clothes.
So hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. That's for the later show. Come back for the adult treatment.
He said come back for the late night after show.
Yes. So now we're going to add our... Right. So beautiful. Mix it up. Don't be scared.
Ooh.
So gently take our pasta. I don't have a strainer, but usually I'd like have it cook in a strainer and just transfer it over.
When I tell y'all, this marriage is about to be on fleek. This marriage is about to be on fleek. We're gonna die old together.
Very good special material property, the Suya spice. A lot of Suya spice.
Can I buy this in the supermarket?
Oh, actually, I'm very glad you asked. You can't buy this in a supermarket right now.
You can't?
But I make this spice myself, but my spice version is not really that good. I actually get this from, I will plug them in and I will say their name because they are Africans and they are my brothers. They are not paying me to say this. I promise you.
It's not
I promise you. This is from Brooklyn, Suya. My friend makes it. He's two Nigerian guys. They have a shop in Brooklyn on Franklin Street. If you ever want some good, quick Nigerian, African food, it's so good, baby. not gonna go wrong. Brooklyn Suya. Brooklyn Suya.
We're gonna leave the name on the screen. Is
Doing
this the
here,
lemon?
yes, what we are doing here is releasing all the juices because it's tight like this. But you massage it, give it a little nice rub, and then
Right. What are we talking about? A lemon here?
Yes,
What-
the
what-
lemon. That's why I was rolling it like that, baby. You don't know.
We can't trust what Brian's talking about
Wow.
at some point in life.
And then it's always advisable to squeeze downside up and then into your hand so you can catch the seeds. Imagine cooking and you put seeds of the lemon inside and somebody bite it with their tongue. It's not a pleasant flavor.
What?
Now we're going to finish up. You lower the heat, reduce it very nice and low.
Wait, what's this?
This is Parmesan cheese. We finish it with a beautiful scumblage of fresh Parmesan.
The fresh. I'm talking about fresh.
Yeah, and don't be scared to be generous with the cheese.
Cause
Be
you know
very
your girl
generous.
like, even though I'm a vegetarian, your girl loves cheese. All right, child.
Why wouldn't you eat cheese? It's made of food.
Spin it around like that.
Now you hold it, right? And then what do you do?
That's that real chef stuff.
What do? You come to your bowl. You put
And you
it
got
in.
the fancy bowl.
And then you twist
Oh,
your
you twist it
bowl.
around. Oh, when I
Not to-
tell you, husband,
Not
when
to
I
do it.
tell you, future husband,
Uh-huh.
it's about to be lit, bro. Mad lit.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in and cooking with us. We are ready to dig
Ciao.
in.
Ciao.
What do you feel?
Child, your girl's hungry, and I ain't got time to finish this video because your girl's hungry, alright?
Alright. And don't be scared to say it's not good if it's not good. That's how we're gonna learn.
That's just
Okay.
how.
I'm not paying you.
Alright, nice.
Oh my god.
Tell y'all, future husband,
Wow.
you ain't going nowhere.
God
You
damn
mine.
it, this is good. And
You mine forever.
honestly speaking, I don't like pasta. Like I'm
I
gonna
love
admit it.
pasta.
What I said? I've been saying girls love pasta. But anyway, I'm not a big fan of pasta, but this I love it. It's really interesting. It's alive. The spice kicks in. And it's not overpowering because Whitney doesn't like spicy food. So traditionally, I feel like I would have made it even spicier. I was gonna put like crushed red pepper in it, which would have like really woken it up more. But the spice is really subtle. There's heat, but it's delicious heat and it spreads out. The parsley and the garlic just come in like from the bottom and the layer. And then there's the lemon on the pasta. The pasta is like kind of still al dente, it's not too soft. And then the cheese just like holds it together.
Yeah, I know your
Oh
girl
my
love
gosh.
a cheese.
Oh my
Your
gosh.
girl love a cheese, child.
It's beautiful.
It's delicious.
It's beautiful like my daughter. I love you all. Check us out again. You can find me on Instagram at oh sorry again guys, I didn't tell you my name. My name is Z. I'm from Africa. You can find me on Instagram at Z, that's Z-I, dot from Africa. One word. She can't say goodbye. She's putting something good in her mouth. But please come back. I know sometimes I lose it and I find it again and I lose it. But that's life. Come back. I love you. And don't be scared to send some money to our cash apps. Are you gonna say anything or you're just gonna eat?
As Americans, we're not supposed to eat with our mouth, so food in our mouth. So, you see, because I was about to choke. You feel me? So that's the reason why we're not supposed to eat with food in our mouth. Like my grandma always told me, don't eat food with your mouth, okay? But anyways, thank you guys for stopping by. And y'all better come back. If y'all don't come back, just send some coins, alright? If y'all not feeling the show, it's okay. Just send us coins. And it is what it is. And it is what it's not, alright? I'll see you guys in the next video.
Mwah. Back. Oh, yeah.